just hopping into an entry right there. Stop loss going at the low of the whole area, and our TP is going to go for risk 1 for 3. Just about right there, and this is what we're risking. This is what we're going for. Okay, so here we are pulling up, so we have reason to exit our trade. We are not actually going to exit at this exact moment. We're just going to continue to ride the momentum to the upside as we keep forming these bullish candles on the 1 minute time frame. But we look to the left to see where we might go as we might keep tracking up. Where's our next area of issues in the market? Get a little stumble in the market there, so we can look to see if the market structure will come this high, right, before any bearish activity starts to come back in. If we just drop down to the 1 minute time frame, so we're just riding that up, and we have risk 1 to 3 from there. So as we continue to ride this 3.6, perfect, and we're pushing. So as we come up to this resistance here, we're going to see what is the market structure being formed. Now this bullish volatility does give me signs that we got to clear this liquidity eventually. So we got to just look to see the momentum, any sharp moves, anything like that. It is just 7:15 right now, so London's open and New York's gonna open soon, so let's just look at this, ride this wave. Okay, so that is one bearish candle that we have there. We have an indecision candle, then a bearish candle. So if this next candle is bearish and we're breaking this low here, then I'm going to just exit the position. Otherwise, we would be having more bullish structure, and we're going to continue. The reason I'm going to be so strict on my close here is because we should already be out of the market given the risk 1 for 3 ratio that we originally went for. Let me mark this off. Risk 1 for 3 is there, and we are currently riding this wave. Risk 1 for 4. We're going to see how it deals with this resistance, but so far we got indecision candle, bearish candle, came back to that little last area of very, very minor support. Okay, so what have we done here? So we've come up to the resistance. We've formed a new low right of here, but we've come down to an extreme area. So this is the only leniency I'm giving it, right? We come down to the 127 level. So if we manage to come, let's say, down, where are we right now? Currently at risk 1 for 3.7. Yeah, so given the potential trade entry on the 127, our stop loss would normally go just right around there. So this is the max area I'm willing to give it room to continue to push to the upside. So let's wait and continue to see. So actually we're gonna close the position right now. So there we came down to the second extreme level of the 161.8, and same thing, we have the possibility to keep going up to the upside. So we're gonna look for that. I'm not gonna take any more entries yet. I think our last entry is by 89, right around there. So we're just gonna wait. Okay, now that we are back to these low areas, we're just gonna close everything, proving to have a little bit of a hard time at this resistance area. So given the lower low structure, we have 2 cases of lower lows right here and another right here. So we'll just watch this area here, see how price wants to deal with it. Maybe we'll get an opportunity to go to the downside. But that's the end of that there. So we ended up gaining risk 1 for 3.7 on there. Pretty nice.